technology has been changing on what they discuss. The discussions around AI has been more prominent in the last couple of years, especially in the last year and this year. There's a lot of focus on cybersecurity. What has not changed is Steve Brazier's amazing insights, and I always look forward to that. AI has played a big role for us. We were a part of one of the biggest Asia's biggest AI deployments. Our services are all around NVIDIA's professional services because that takes a big part in the AI deployments. So vendors have been very supportive when it comes to AI-led transformation. They have been helping us design the BOM more specifically, and we are in collaboration with them on taking trainings and upskillings, and that's been a good support from the vendor side. Of course, the first barrier is always around the price factor because doing advanced technology projects requires a lot of investments on the hardware perspective, especially. All the components have been booming. The prices of RAMs are going like share market these days. So the barrier comes into the price factor from the customer's perspective. Although the OEMs have been very supportive on these projects to us, they help us collaborate and develop much more complicated configurations for customers, and it has been a good journey with the OEMs on the AI perspective. We found good support from them. Our biggest USP is that we have a full cycle service that we give to our customers. That is, we start from, you can say, procuring an e-waste from the customer and refurbishing the same and delivering after the refurbishment. And we also we have been serving every pin code of India when it comes to services. We have been ticketing, and we've been monitoring for a lot of customers, even tier 2 and tier 3 cities. In fact, one of our biggest use cases is that we support one of the biggest retail clients. We give them a language support of more than 60 plus languages spread across the nation. We have 1 or 2 point of contacts who speak every language and give support to these retail customers remotely. Of course, as mentioned, there has to be a lot of training and skill development on the AI perspective itself. A lot of partners partners like us especially need to be enabled on what are the correct deployments for AI, so we don't go round and round to the customer about what is to be used in their ecosystem. So a lot of training on the AI perspective, a lot of training on the hands-on training on the servers and storages area. We should pick up new fresher minds and give them insights and hands-on, because these days an engineer is supposed to be somebody who has only certifications, but when you put them in front of a server, they don't know how to install a RAM as well. So such gaps need to be covered, and a lot of trainings have to be given on hands-on to people. So right now we've had a great takeaway on the MSP cybersecurity perspective, that a lot of focus is going towards AI, which is good, but we should also focus on keeping the data secure as a nation. Everybody should have a secure database, and the data should be within. So that's a good point that's been bringing up. There's a lot more I look forward to on the AI perspective as well.